Kayako versus Help Scout. Which is the best help desk software? Well, if you're trying to decide between these two help desk solutions, you're in the right place. But here's the thing, while both of these options are solid, there's something you need to know before making your final choice. Stick around because at the end, I'm going to recommend a competitor that outperforms both in several areas. Let's start with Kayako. This software offers a unified inbox, allowing you to manage all customer communications in one place, whether it's email, chat, or social media. The interface is simple to use, and the customizable ticketing system means you can create workflows tailored to your team's needs. But the next thing, Kayako's reporting and analytics, while decent, leave a bit to be desired. The data isn't as robust or user-friendly as some other tools in the market, making it a bit harder to get deep insights on customer satisfaction or team performance. Now, moving on to Help Scout. It shines in its simplicity and ease of use, particularly if you're a small to mid-sized business. It's designed to feel like email, so your team doesn't need a steep learning curve. The second thing I'd point out is Help Scout's collaboration features. You can easily leave internal notes on tickets, and it's great for teamwork. However, the third thing you need to consider is the lack of customization. While Help Scout does an excellent job at doing the basics, it can feel a little restrictive if you have more advanced needs. The fourth thing worth mentioning is automation. Kayako comes in strong here, with some robust features for autoresponders, ticket routing, and prioritization. Help Scout has some automation too, but it's not as customizable, and there are fewer options for advanced workflows. If automating processes is crucial to your team, Kayako may have the edge here. Another big difference is customer support. Help Scout is often praised for its great customer service. When you have issues, they're quick to help, and they have a helpful knowledge base. Kayako, on the other hand, can sometimes be a bit slower to respond, especially for smaller businesses, and some users feel their support is lacking. The sixth thing is integrations. Help Scout does have a range of integrations with tools like Slack, CRM systems, and more, but Kayako arguably has the edge here. It offers integrations with some niche tools and also has API access, which might appeal to larger companies with more complex needs. Lastly, pricing. Kayako has a tiered pricing model that scales with the features you need. It's definitely more flexible for larger teams with bigger budgets. Help Scout, however, has a more straightforward, simple pricing structure, which could be attractive for smaller businesses or startups with limited resources. Now, both Kayako and Help Scout are good choices, but here's the thing. After trying both myself, I think there's a better option out there for people who want an all-around more powerful and customizable help desk solution. If you want a tool that balances great customer support, better reporting, and a highly customizable experience, you should take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.